माननीय फौजिया खान।
सर,
फिर ये लोग नहीं हैं।
जिस इमारत में हम आज जिसको अलविदा करने जा रहे हैं सर, ये इमारत सिर्फ एक इमारत नहीं है, ये हमारे संसदीय लोकतंत्र का मंदिर है सर। ये हमारे संसदीय परंपराओं का खजाना है। ये हमारे प्यारे भारत के सपनों का गुलिस्तान है सर, जिस इमारत को आज हम अलविदा कह रहे हैं। Sir, the soul of parliamentary democracy dwells here. It is through this parliament that India has lived by our constitution. Sir, Constituent Assembly में 15 महिला सदस्य थे। उनमें से एक महिला सदस्य दक्षिणयानी वेलियंदन, इन्होंने कहा था, a Constituent Assembly not only frames a constitution but also gives the people a new framework of life. Sir, it is by this framework of life that we are living in this parliament. This is certainly, sir, not like an old faded garment which we discard and it is replaced by a glittering attire. This institution has a history. It has sanctity. The soul of democracy, sir, is important. डर ये है कि कहीं सर जब हम अपने इमारत का शरीर बदलने जा रहे हैं तो कहीं लोकतंत्र की आत्मा यही न रह जाए सर, ये डर है। The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. The first general elections under the new constitution were held during the year 1951 and 52, and the first elected parliament came into existence in April 1952, sir. Since then, this parliament has been the custodian of democracy. Sir, this has been the custodian of the dreams and aspirations of the people of India. This has been the custodian of the rights of men and women and children, sir. This has been the custodian of equality and justice. Several prime ministers have led this country. Several prime ministers have led this glorious nation, sir. Their vision, their contribution has made India grow like a 75-floor skyscraper. We are a skyscraper now. But that foundation, sir, is very, very important. And this foundation was laid by Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, who was 16 years Prime Minister of India, who has been called the father of modern India, sir, who carried forward the noble ideals of Mahatma Gandhi and laid the foundation of socialist, secular values and communal harmony. Sir, we cannot forget, sir, that it was his vision of modern India and his decisions of starting IITs, IIMs.
Madam, please conclude, madam.
Sir, it's over.
Yes, 3 to 4 minutes. जो others में 3 to 4 minutes, please.
All right, sir. Sir, I will say that coming back to the context of the present times, I will say many prime ministers have led this country. Rajiv Gandhi ji has brought about the IT revolution, sir. He has brought reservation for women in the local self-government. There are so many decisions taken. Indira Gandhi was a prime minister who broke Pakistan into two. वो Iron Lady जिसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान के दो टुकड़े हो गए हैं, सर. ऐसे Sir, please give me a minute at least.
Please. It's already 4 minutes, madam.
Please give me a minute, sir.
This has been the time which has been allocated here. 3 to 4 minutes, please. Please cooperate, please.
Should I conclude or should I
please
stop?
Conclude. Please conclude.
Okay, sir. Last में इतना ही कहूँगी कि आज हम मन की बात कर रहे हैं. आज सरकार मन की बात करती है, लोग सरकार के मन की बात करते हैं. सर, लेकिन हमारे जो तिरंगे के रंग है आज वो सरकार को नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं सर। जो 3 रंग है वो नहीं दिख रहे हैं, शायद कलर ब्लाइंडनेस की बीमारी हो गई है। क्योंकि सर ये कलर ब्लाइंडनेस की बीमारी आज जो भी हमारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एजेंसीज हैं, जो सीबीआई है, ईडी है, हमारे जो अलग अलग ऑटोनोमस एजेंसीज है,
Please.
आज उनको एक ही
Thank
रंग
you.
नजर आ रहा है
थैंक यू
सर।
मैडम, इट्स ऑलरेडी 5 मिनट्स, 3 मिनट के बजाय 5 मिनट आप बोली।
Thank you,
प्रोफेसर
sir.
राम गोपाल यादव जी, प्लीज।